We are now going to create a course on Blickel, and you're going to get your first idea of how a course and how the different levels of Blickel work together. So we're going to go to Creation Center, and we're going to create a course. As a reminder, the areas down the middle here are required. So let's go ahead and give our course a name. I'm going to call it Example Course, and I'm going to give it a color, a bluish color for the icon. Again, I'm going to give it a summary. This is an example course, and the summary should give the student an idea of what, in one sentence or two sentences, what the course or program or whatever is about. Just for our purposes, I'm going to make this course public, and notice that I do have the ability to feature this content, but I'm not going to. Now, if I just create this course, it will exist on Blickel independently, and that can be great. You don't necessarily need to have a program, and indeed, if you feature it, people will be able to find your course very easily. However, what we can do is we can attach this course to any program that we've made within our community. So if I click on Assign this course, a drop-down will load with all of the contents that I have access to. So an executive or a content creator an executive or a content administrator here will see every program in our entire community, whereas a content creator will only see the programs that they have made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Example Program. I then have to click Assign so we can see it right here, and now I'm going to click Save Changes. You'll notice that it tells us that the course is now connected, and if we made a mistake, we can update those connections by just clicking the button again. You can click the X to remove the connection, or we could even add the course to multiple different programs within our community. The thing to understand with these connections is there's no limit to how you connect things to each other as long as you follow the program, course, unit, lesson hierarchy. So we'll just only attach this to example program, and I'm going to click Save Changes. All right, the course is now ready to go, so let's create this course. Now let's go to edit our program, because what I'd like to do is go ahead and feature our program so that it's easy to find for the purpose of these lessons. So we're going to save there. All right. I'm now going to click on Dashboard and Community Content. And you'll see that because I just featured the program, it's once again right there. Now let's go to this program, and you'll notice that it has one thing inside of it. And there is our example course. And so you can see the course has the blue background that we gave it, as well as our summary, and it's ready to go. If I click on the example course, it will throw an error because we have not attached anything to this course. So we will do that in the next lesson.